Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Gary Rabiton, the blogging champ. I just wrapped up day 29 of the Empower Fitness Network Challenge, and today's date is June 18th, 2013. I'm actually shooting this video at the end of my driveway, standing behind my mailbox, and I wanted to shoot a quick video today to talk about outgoing mail and incoming mail. Okay, so I figure I might as well be standing by a mailbox if I want to talk about outgoing mail and incoming mail, okay? Because let's face it, I mean, we utilize the mail. Some of us check the mail daily. If you have a P.O. box, no big deal. You can still use this as a good metaphor and apply it with your life, okay? So if we have outgoing mail, obviously there's a red flag that we raise. We let the world know, we let the postman, postwoman know that we have mail inside the mailbox. So we make it known that we have outgoing mail. Now, oftentimes though, I mean, let's face it, we never really know what's inside the mailbox until we do what? Until we open it up. So again, outgoing mail, there's a red flag that lets people know that we have mail that's outgoing. It lets the mail handler know to stop here, to open up the mailbox and to take the mail and take it out. But we don't always know if we have mail inside of our mailbox. I mean, there's no red flag that we raise or a special flag that we raise to let us know that we have mail inside of our mailbox. Now, what am I getting at? Am I actually talking about mail in the sense of physical paper by way of postcards, letters, junk mail, bills? No, of course not. I'm talking about the whole fact that at times we don't always know what lies around the next corner or what lies around the bend, what's in store for us tomorrow, because there's not necessarily a red flag that's being raised. Okay, so what we need to do is we need to reassess ourselves. We need to check our mailbox. Okay, and for me, my mailbox is a metaphor for checking off on my checklist for success. If you don't write your goals down, how are you going to know that you're hitting your milestones, that you're hitting your mark? Do you have a plan? Do you have a plan for success? Are you checking your mailbox? Are you reassessing your goals? I mean, I write my goals down, I reassess them, and when I hit my goal, I want to better myself. I want to push myself. I want to check off a block to say, okay, my goal was to achieve a certain amount of success. Now I've hit that goal. Let me reassess and see where I can go. Because again, you know, there's no red flag that's being raised to let people or to let you know that you have mail inside of your mailbox. The only person that's going to know about your goals is ultimately yourself. Now, you may have a coach, you may have somebody in your corner, a cheerleader, a teammate, somebody that supports you and believes in you to say, hey, look, are you revisiting or reassessing your goals? You have mail, check your mailbox. I'm raising the red flag for you. So yes, I'm gonna go ahead and raise the red flag for you, letting you know that you do have mail in your mailbox. You just need to go ahead and check your mail, go through it, sift through it, and sort out the good from the bad, because not all mail is good mail. There is some junk mail in our mailboxes per se. So let's cut the junk out of our life. The junk being negativity, the junk being naysayers, doubters, the junk being temptations, whether it be doing things immoral, unethical, or whether it be eating junk food. I mean, I don't know what the junk mail might be in your life, but for me, junk mail for me is negative people. I don't want negative people around me. That's not a part of who I am. I don't have negative people on my team. I want to bring forth good quality people because I do believe in the law of attraction. Okay, so that's it, guys. That's my time. As you can see, I'm wearing Superman today. I'm wearing the shirt. I just saw Man of Steel a few days ago with my children. Great movie. And you need to unleash your inner superhero and extinguish all self-doubt. My message is not going to change. That's going to be my overall theme for the Empower Fitness Network Challenge, is to get you guys to understand that unleashing your inner superhero is not difficult once you dig deep and dig hard and actually find your inner superhero. Now, what are you? Are you He-Man, She-Man? Are you Wonder Woman? I don't know. Are you Captain America? You just need to dig deep, dig down, and find your inner superhero. We all have it within us. We just need to unleash it. So unleash your inner superhero from within, extinguish all self-doubt. I wish you all the very best as you pursue your goals, your dreams, and ultimately, your destiny. You need to take action in order to take flight. I'll see you on the next video.